we're going to show you how to adjust the belt tension on your y-axis. The belt is adjusted by moving the motor backwards and forwards. You're going to need a 2.5 millimeter hex driver with a ball end. There's an access hole right at the bottom, and this is the same procedure whether it's a system or an engine. This happens to be an engine without the external frame. If you can see that I'm loosening the screw at the bottom of the motor. If you have a good ball driver, you should just be able to get in there. And then I'm going to loosen the one at the top. I'm only loosening 2 screws because I'm using the third one as a pivot point. And you can see if you take you see how the motor has some room to move now. And if your belt is too loose, which is most likely the case, you can use a flat bladed screwdriver. Just put just a little bit of tension. Doesn't take a lot. Tighten down one screw and check your tension. There should be a little bit of a twang to it. You don't want it to be too loose and floppy. You might need to do some trial and error to get to your optimal tightness. But you should have nice smooth motion backwards and forwards. And then you just come back in and tighten your other screw. So you can see with the ball end driver you have access to those 2 screws. And if you're on an engine, you can access the front one. On a system, the rear panel will prevent you from accessing the other one there. As long as you have access to 2 screws, you should be fine.